Guess who just got the mother load? Guess what little old Daryl brought you? Yeah.
I'm gonna have to call you back. What kind of deal did you have to make to get this kind of cash?
With drugs. Drugs.
Wait, seriously?
It's all cash, dude. Who's gonna find out? Yeah, oh, wait. Oops. Forgot one. Made an arms deal on my way back to the office.
Did you say arms deal?
We're just holding on to some cash for some of my friends, you know?
Is this even legal? Man, what if somebody finds out about this?
It's legal. Call the wambulance. I'm sorry about that. No, that was a little too far.
I mean, kind of hurt my feelings.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I mean, this is KD Bank, man. Founded by Kevin Durant. We have to stand on our values.
Values? What about your shall yous, as in, shall you accept this cash?
This is not gonna end well.
You don't think it'll end well? Well, I just talked to the cartel, and they're very happy with us.
We're gonna go to prison.
You're never gonna go to prison. Let me tell you how I know that, all right? Let me show you how things are done here at KD Bank.
All right, Legolas.
Hey there, I'm Mac.
And I'm Kirk.
And this is a lowdown on a couple of big federal changes and enforcement's coming up.
Big numbers to talk about. We got a $3 billion settlement with TD Bank, headquartered out of Canada, but does business in the United States. And this one is one of the largest settlements already decided that I've seen in a long time.
Yeah, and this one relates to their lack of anti-money laundering protections inside of the bank. There's some alleged cartel money flowing through the bank that they were not able to catch and monitor in time. And so they have reached a settlement, it sounds like, with the Department of Justice on it.
And we're not implying that they were complicit in any way. We're just saying that because they agreed with the DOJ that they lacked proper anti-money laundering policies and procedures and actions, they were allowed to be affected by apparently some cartel money or allegedly some cartel money, and that created all kinds of problems within the organization.
Yeah, and the settlement is in the range of about $3 billion, which is...
Billion.
Billion with a B, which is just something I haven't seen. When we're looking at other laws that are enforced, we took a look at the False Claims Act, which is a big one. In 2023, that only brought in about $2.6 billion in fraudulent payments made.
Whistleblower type
Whistleblower, yeah. And so for one settlement to be $3 billion, where an entire wing of the DOJ and FinCEN collected $2.6 billion, it's just a crazy disparity.
To his credit, the CEO of TD Bank accepted responsibility for the lack of implementing proper policies and procedures and is strategically retiring. So we don't know all the reasons behind that, but he will be retiring soon and stepping aside, and TD Bank is actively working to get their house in order.
So this brings up a really good point of what are you doing at your company to minimize both anti-money laundering that could be happening and to minimize any other problems from a regulatory standpoint, because all it takes is one problem to blow up your company. If you need to find out more about how to be compliant inside of our highly regulated industry, check us out at knowledgecoopplus.com to learn more.